Hello 6th class students. I am your computer teacher Mrs. Poonam Kumari. Now today I am going to explain you your lesson number 2, file management data organization. So in this chapter we will see how we can move or copying a file or folder from one drive to another, understanding different file formats, moving or copying a file between storage devices, sorting files, searching a file or folder, working with multiple applications. So students, all of you know what is a file and folder, that you have done so many times in 5th class also, like you open the Microsoft Word and type something and save there in your folder also, I can show the folder also and file also when you understood the difference. So like this is the folder where all the files are stored, like Word files. So this is the folder like APC folder, yellow color folder, and these are the files which are stored in that folder. So basically you can say what is a file. A file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device, whereas a folder is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files, means उससे related files हम उस folder में रख सकते हैं. So now in this chapter we'll discuss how we can view, copy, move files and transfer data from one device to another. Now let's start first. Moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another, कि अपनी फाइल को हम कैसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर सकते हैं, या और वी कैन क्रिएट कॉपी ऑल्सो ऑफ दैट फाइल, की फाइल वहाँ पे भी रहे और दूसरी जगह पे भी जाके कॉपी हो जाए. सो फर्स्ट अंडरस्टूड हाउ वी कैन मूव द फाइल. So there are two options: cut, copy, paste. We are using these three buttons to, or you can say three options we are using to copy paste or moving or copying the file. So let's understood first how to move the file. So for the moving the files, you have to open some file. Like here they have opened my computer icon, so I will also open from my computer this PC. Double click, I will double click on this PC icon, and in this PC icon, so these are the files or folders you can see. Okay, so if you want to copy any file, you can select like open any drive. In any drive, if you want to copy any file, I select this one, and you want to cut it, then you can select it, and then you can cut it also. It will be cut from here and move to another location. So some file I can show you how it will. This one you can see here, F drive. In F drive, if I want to cut any file, like for this Hindi grammar book, sorry, we have to not click on that, just we have to select that file. So in F drive, like we have in F drive, I will select any file, like right click, I want to cut from here and move to another location, so I will cut it. It will cut from here, this file, sorry, this file, right click, and it will cut. And where you want to move it, select that position, like I want to move it in documents folder, so I will right click and paste here. So it will paste here in the documents folder, you can see. So it will cut from there, and now it will move. Yeah, this is moving. Now we want to, if you want to copy the file, like this file you want to copy, select Punjabi, right click, and you want to copy it, copy, and you want to paste it where you want to paste it, there you can paste. Like I want to paste here on the desktop, you can paste here. So in this way that file will be copied from any drive to another drive also. So I will now, if you want to open it, that file, then you can open it by clicking on it, or you can delete it also. You know how to delete this file. So this is your moving or copying the file. Next step is moving a copy of file folder from the storage between the storage devices. Storage devices means if you want to copy your file from pen drive to your computer or computer to pen drive. For this purpose, first we will attach the pen drive to your computer. So I will attach one pen drive in my computer. You will also see how to copy the file from the pen drive. I hope all most of the students know how to copy the file from the pen drive. So but for the chapter reading or explanation, I have to show this one. So like this pen drive, when I attach this pen drive, USB icon came on the screen. Okay, so which file you want to copy, right click on that file, and then you can copy that file. Select that file and you can copy from here, and where you want to paste, there you can paste. Like if I want to paste it on the in my computer, then you can paste it here. Where you want to paste, like right click and paste, you can paste it here. Okay, in this way you can paste the files. If you want to cancel, you can cancel it also. Now we will see the next is, this is the how to copy file from pen drive to your computer. In the same way, if you want to send any file to the computer, then how you can from the computer to the pen drive, then what you will do, open the pen drive and right click and copy paste. The same options you can do, or send to option you can also join. Now we will see searching a file or folder. So students, sometimes we forget the file name and we want to search the file. We sometimes we know the file name, but we don't know where that file is stored in the computer. Maybe because in computer so many files are stored. From that files, if we want to search any file, if you know the name or we know the you can say extension of the file, then we can search easily. So first, if you are looking for the common file types, or you remember all or part of the name of the file or folder you want to find, or you know the date when you last modified, then or to search a file folder, click on the start button. This is your start button. On your start button, this search box is there. This is called the search box on your start button. So you will find a search box, type either a part of the file or complete name, or type the word or phrase in the present file. As you type the file items, match your text will appear on the start menu. For example, I want to find my some file, like I have written here kips, so it will open the files, all the files related with the kips. So it will open the files related with kips. Or if you don't know the file name, you know the date, on which date you have made the file. Like on 5th month I will make on 23, and on 20 which files I made, it will open all the files related with that. So it will search all the files which I made on 23. It will start searching and it will showing me on the screen. So first we always write month, date, and all the files which is related with that. It will open that type of files. Now if you want to search, sometimes students we forgot the file name, or exactly we don't know what is the file name or where the file is stored. In that case, we can use two wildcard characters. Means we know the first letter only. Then in that case, star and question mark are the two wildcard characters which can be used as a special symbols, और यू कैन से टू सर्च अ फाइल और फोल्डर्स हुज एग्जैक्ट नेम यू डोंट नो, जिसका एग्जैक्ट नेम आपको पता नहीं कि फाइल का क्या है, वो कंप्यूटर में कहाँ पड़ी है. देन व्हाट वी विल डू इन दैट केस, वी कैन यूज स्टार एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क वाइल्ड कार्ड करेक्टर्स. So like for example, you know the file name first letter, like here if you know the first letter is L, so what we will do, you will write here in the search box L star dot L star dot, then the files related with L, it will locality, जो भी L से रिलेटेड, जिसमें भी L वर्ड यूज़ होगा वो सारी फाइल्स खुल जाएंगी. लाइक दिल भर, फिफ्थ भी, तो जो भी फाइल्स L से रिलेटेड होंगी वो सारी खुल जाएंगी. सो next one is L star dot star, you have to write L or P star if file name is started with the P. If you know the first character, then you can write L star dot star, so it will show all the files related with L. In the same way, if you know second one is star dot docx, will search all the files having extension docx. If you don't know the first letter also, but you know that is a Microsoft Word file कि आपने वर्ड में बनाई थी, so how you will find, you can write star dot docx, so it will open all the files related with Microsoft Word. जो उतनी भी वर्ड्स की फाइल होंगी इस कंप्यूटर में, वो सारी आपको सामने दिखाई देंगी. Okay, so these are the word files. Now next is L star dot docx will search all the files whose name begin with the letter L or have extension .docx. If you write L star .docx, so what it will do, it will find all the files whose name begin with L, जिनका नाम L से शुरू होगा और ये Microsoft Word की फाइल होगी. Next is wildcard character question mark. In the same way, you can use the wildcard character question mark in place of any single letter or symbol. For example, kips question mark .docx will search all the files whose name with begin with kips followed by any one character and extension of docx. मतलब मीन्स ऐसी फाइल जिसका नाम तो किप्स हो बट उसके पीछे जो है वो वर्ड, जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स फाइल हो मीन्स वर्ड की फाइल हो, उसके पीछे चाहे जितने मर्जी वर्ड्स हो, दैट फाइल इट विल सर्च. तो वी कैन राइट हियर किप्स question mark, kips question mark. Okay, so you can write here kips question mark dot docx, kips question mark dot docx. So in this way it will find all the files whose names started with kips, and it should be a word file, it should be a word file. Similarly you can search kips question mark question mark question mark 3 times. If you write in the search box, what it will do, it will search all the files whose name begin with kips and followed by any 3 characters and extension of docx. Means उसका नाम किप्स से शुरू होगा और उसके नीचे पीछे जितने मर्जी 3 कैरेक्टर्स, क्वेश्चन मार्क 3 बार डाला मीन्स 3 आगे कोई भी कैरेक्टर हो सकते हैं, एंड इट शुड बी अ वर्ड फाइल मीन डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल मीन्स वर्ड फाइल. द वाइल्ड कार्ड करेक्टर स्टार एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑल्सो कैन बी यूज इन ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कॉमा क्वेश्चन मार्क डॉट स्टार विल सर्च ऑल द फाइल्स हुज नेम कंटेन ओनली 1 कैरेक्टर. ऐसी फाइल जिसका नाम सिर्फ एक ही लेटर का हो, जैसे एल डॉट डी ओ सी एक्स या पीपीटी पावर पॉइंट फाइल या टेक्स्ट फाइल, कोई भी ऐसी फाइल जिसका करेक्टर एक ही करेक्टर का नाम हो और वो या तो वर्ड की फाइल हो या पावर पॉइंट की या कोई भी टी फाइल हो, तो दैट विल सर्च. बट एल से एक सिंगल नाम से तो कोई फाइल रखता नहीं. सो बेसिकली वेरी रेयर इफ़ वी आर स्टोरिंग द फाइल विद सिंगल वर्ड. सो इफ़ दैट सिंगल वर्ड one single word file is there contain only 1 character, if you want to search then you can write like this way. And the next one is kips star dot question mark question mark question mark will display all the files with the name starting with kips and any character after that having any extension of 3 characters. It means it will search the files related with kips and with whose name start with kips, that file name start with kips and any character after it, उसके बाद कोई भी character हो सकता है, and have any extension of 3 characters की एक्सटेंशन वर्ड की भी हो सकती है, एक्सेल की भी हो सकती है, पावर पॉइंट की भी, कोई भी फाइल हो सकती है. सो इन दिस वे these 2 wildcard characters star and question mark can be used to search a file or folder. Next is using standard different file formats. So students, up to here first you understood and try to do the practical of this lesson. Up to here, the next video I will send you soon. Thank you students.